some Dollar General. Like, I love these. I love.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. We are going to do a cozy home and fall reset. I've been needing to clean and get myself together for fall, so we're going to do just that in this vlog. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and we're going to jump right into it. So first I needed to get me a cup of coffee, okay? I've taken my sheets and pillowcases off, and this time I actually went to the laundromat, guys. I do have a washer and dryer in my home, but I literally wanted to get everything done at once, and I went over to Dollar General and got a few things that I needed for the house while I was there. If you don't, make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I'll have it linked in the description. I did a whole home haul with that. And then here I'm just lighting a candle because now I'm in the kitchen, y'all, okay? So I made some homemade soup. If you guys want the recipe, leave it in the comments. I will let you guys know. I pretty much used everything that I had left in my refrigerator. So anything that I had a little bit of, I just threw it in a crock pot and I made it, okay? I topped it with some toast, and that was that. Then I wanted some cookies because I had a little sweet tooth. Also, it's fall, so I made these amazing pumpkin spice cookies, and they are mixed with like cookie dough, and they were so good. My son loved them. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I burnt them a little bit, just a little bit, but they still tasted delicious. Then I made my way outside and did a little bit of fall gardening. This is the perfect time for you guys to either harvest what you have planted in the summer, or get your plants together and give them a little refresh as well. As you can see, I got some amazing tomatoes growing. Like, look at that. She's so pretty. I also have these growing, and the red one is ready for picking, and we'll give the other ones a little bit more time to grow. So that's my little gardening. I also wanted to moisturize my hair. I don't know about you guys, but in the fall and winter, my hair gets really dry. So I use black castor oil, and I'm just going through and oiling my scalp. This refresh is also about myself and not just about my home. So I wanted to just press my hair out a little bit and give myself just a nice, clean look for fall. I just wanted something that I can unwrap every day, put a bonnet on, put a scarf on, and get myself together for the day. I also needed to cut my ends because my split ends were terrible. So I also took care of that as well. This is the perfect time to just refresh everything from your home to yourself, to your self-care, any abandoned routines, anything in your home. This is the time. So you guys stay tuned. I'm going to haul a couple of the things that I got from Dollar General, and I'll be back. Hey guys, I hope you guys are loving the vlog so far. Today was my day off, and I really just wanted to do a cozy day in while also kind of resetting for Sunday. So I hope you guys are enjoying. In this portion, I went and took out a lot of my fall decor out of storage. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the decor pieces that I'll be using. And then in my next vlog, I'm actually going to do a decorate for fall with me. So you guys stay tuned for that, because I will be decorating for fall, and I will be doing a deep clean for fall too. So you guys stay tuned for that. So the first thing I pulled out was my pillow, y'all. I've had this pillow forever. Poor thing. I probably need to put it in the washer. But I actually got this pillow from Aldi's. I was in their grocery shop, and they had these really cute pillows. I think I have it in one of my cozy vlogs. So if you are a subscriber, first of all, if you have not subscribed, make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button. Support your girl, okay? And if you are a subscriber, then you'll know in my cozy playlist, I actually have a vlog there where I shopped at Aldi's and I found this. So I'll try to find it and link it on the screen, and I'll also put it in the description for you guys. But I think that was like $6, but I love that. I'm gonna put it on my living room couch just to sit there. Then I found this really cute tray. I got it for $1 at Dollar General. Y'all know I love Dollar General. Like, somebody reach out to Dollar General and tell them they need to sponsor the girl, okay? Because I live in there. I actually just posted a pink Halloween finds vlog, and I was shopping in Dollar General. So make sure you guys go check that out too, okay? But I got this cute serving tray for $1. I actually put like little candies and little decor on this, so I love that. I am one of those girls that I do not believe in spending a whole lot of money on seasonal decor. I just don't. And then I found this thrifting. It was $2, and it's just a little cute rustic sign that says gather. And yeah, I found that for like $2, and I think I actually ended up getting it for $1 actually. And I have just these cute little decor pieces. This one says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. And this is just a cute little decor piece that I'll like sit on my table or something. I thought that was so cute. That was $1 from Dollar General as well. This is my little Halloween doll. This was actually a gift, and it's a boy and a girl, y'all. Let me see if the boy is in here. It's a boy and it's a girl, and my son actually has the boy one. But this is my little like Wednesday Addams doll for Halloween, and I usually just actually sit her as soon as you walk in my house. In my entry, she just sits right there with like a little candy dish or something like that for Halloween. But I think she is so cute, and her little brother is cute too. Okay, so it's like a little Wednesday and Pugsley. And they were a gift. I'm not sure where they came from. And then I'm also just bringing out my fall blankets and throws. I'm gonna add this to my couch. I got this from Dollar General like 2 years ago for like $5. And I love it. Again, you do not have to spend a lot on your seasonal decor. You don't, you just don't. Then I got these amazing pumpkins. Like, I love these. These are so pretty that I actually end up leaving these up with my Christmas decorations because they blend right into my Christmas decorations, and they're so cute. So I love that. Then I got this vase. I love doing fresh fall flowers. I'm actually going to go shopping later, and I'm going to get either some sunflowers or a really cute fall arrangement to put in this. And it just says Happy Fall. I got that from Dollar General as well. They had these on sale for $3. So super, super cute. Can't wait to put some little flowers in there. Then just some cute decor pieces, $1. I think I got that from the Dollar Tree. What else we got in here? Little pumpkins. I think these were 50 cents. And then my table runner. This is really what I was looking for because I want to decorate my table for fall and Halloween in the next vlog. And I actually got this from Temu. I'll have it linked. And it just says thankful. And I love this like old school farmhouse checkerboard pattern. Just super rustic and cute. So I'm going to actually lay that across my table. And then I have my cute Hello Pumpkin candle that I got from Dollar General. It smells so good. It is actually spiced chai latte, and it smells so good. These are in the last vlog as well, and these were $5. And then I have this cute decor piece that I got from Dollar General for $5. I use this as my centerpiece for my fall decor on my tablescape. Then I have these wonderful candles. These actually came from Safeway. I'm not sure if you guys know where Safeway is. It's a grocery store. I know everybody doesn't have them, but I actually live in the DMV. So if you live in the DMV, then you could probably find these at your local Safeway. I got the brown latte color, but they did come in orange as well. So super cute. And then my mushrooms, y'all. These were gifts to me from one of my friends. I love like whimsical fall decor. These cute mushrooms. As you can see, I got 2 of them, and they're actually LED. And when you light them up, they put like different lights on the ceiling. So I'm gonna see if I have, like, you really can't tell because I have the light on. I think after this, I'll show you guys what it looks like with everything closed. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna put these guys on the table and set it up a little bit. I'm just gonna show you guys what these look like with no lights on, okay?